Number 13. Luminous black watch unidirectional bezel contains white markers. Date display at 3 o'clock position. 44 mm polyurethane case with mineral dial window. Polyurethane band with embossed logo and buckle closure. Water resistant to 200 meter. Number 12. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Brushed black plated stainless steel case. 500 meter waterproof Swiss automatic movement. Case diameter 44 mm, diver 300 meter. And general, suitable for mixed gas diving. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Wow, what a great piece! Worth every penny. Number 11. Outdoor watch. Lumix watch are built to last. Choke and scratch resistant this Unix watch. Anti-allergic, anti-magnetic and chemical resistant. Case size 46 mm. Band 22 meter long. Band color khaki brown black. Case size large. Case thickness 8 mm. Number 10. Band material type stainless steel rubber. Black dial enhanced by luminous hands. Number 9. Unix 30 anniversary model. The stainless steel case and fully stained finished with shock resistance, comes with an anti-reflective coating on sapphire crystal. Sporty rugged outdoor watches perfect for diving. Up to 200 meters water resistant. Case size 42 mm, height 12 mm, log width 24 mm. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Number 8. Anti-reflective sapphire crystal movement. Unidirectional rotating bezel, colored light. Water resistant to 300 meters. Super luminous light on the dial. Navy blue webbing strapped with brushed stainless steel signature buckle. Number 7. Featuring Swiss made double LT Luminix light technology. Provide constant night visibility for up to 25 years. I really like this watch. Without pushing a button on recharging Swiss technology, featuring tiny gas lights on the hand, over makers and on the bezel. 45 mm ultra-light carbon compound case, 20 ATM water resistant tested. Protected double gasket security crown, sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Number 6. Swiss quartz movement. Case diameter 47.6 mm. Plastic care scratch resistant mineral. Water resistant to 660 feet. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Number 5. Beljox 7750 automatic chronograph movement. Animal dial midnight green. Sapphire crystal date windows. PVT plated stainless steel case, screwed on crown. Number 4. Series S or 71 black belt. Movement digital analog. Case thickness 15 mm. Calendar date case width 44 mm. Excellent timepiece. I highly recommend to everyone to buy this watch. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous style. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Number 3. Unix Master Carbon Seal 3800 series. Gas lights on the hand, over markers and on the bezel. .46 mm carbon compound case, 30 ATM water resistant tested. Double gasket security crown on crown, sapphire glass with anti-reflective coating. 8 years lithium battery. Date indication unidirectional rotating diver bezel. Genian rubber strap switch made quartz movement. Number 2, Lunix Man 3001 quartz Navy SEAL dive watch. Quartz movement case material carbon reinforced PC. Case bezel rotating one-way diver. Case bag round double COD gasket. Case diameter 43 millimeter. Number 1, Luminix Navy CE 3500 series. Featuring Swiss made double LT Luminix light technology, provides constant night visibility for up to 25 years without pushing a button or recharging. Swiss technology, featuring tiny gas lights on the hands or markers and on the bezel. 45 millimeter ultra light carbon compound case. 20 atmosphere water resistant tested, protected double gasket security crown. Date indication unidirectional rotating diver bezel. 24 hours military time indication PU rubber type strap. Swiss made quartz movement. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Wow, what a great piece, worth everything. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Hello friends, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.